Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a Longchamp unboxing, not just any Longchamp unboxing. This is the collaboration between Longchamp and Robert Indiana, who is the world-renowned artist and sculptor who created the Love sculpture. I picked my Love sculpture up at Home Goods, but there's actually an enormous sculpture of the Love sculpture in Philadelphia. That's where he first erected his Love sculpture, and it became so popular. It started appearing all over the world, and he became quite well known for his sculpture. So he's no longer living, but Longchamp still was able to go ahead and do a collaboration with Robert Indiana's brand. And I'm going to go ahead and share this with you today. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. So I'm really excited about this unboxing. So I will say I've had one of those weeks. I don't know if you guys have those weeks. I have been sick with a bronchitis chest infection as well as a sinus infection. And I had to go to the doctor and get an antibiotic because this is one of those things that has not been able to go away. So I'm sorry it sounds so dreadful. But anyway, ooh, here she is. All right. This is so pretty. Okay, so this is the medium Le Pliage tote. So if you look close, it has the embossed Longchamp horse and jockey. It has the silver hardware, which is beautiful. And then it has, I believe this is a black Russian cowhide leather. I don't think it's navy. If it is, it's a very deep, I think it's black. I'm pretty sure it is. It's kind of hard to tell in this lighting. Pretty sure it is a black leather. So let's go ahead and take, ooh. Okay, so this right off the bat feels like a much thicker canvas material than the regular Le Pliage, which is interesting. It's really nice though. Another thing I noticed right off the bat is there's no tab, so you couldn't fold this up like a regular Le Pliage tote bag would with the little snap there, which is fine. So on the back, you'll see this horse and jockey. That's beautiful. Half of it being blue and red. Nice little color block there. And then you'll see a beautiful silver zipper pull. Let me take this little plastic off here. Oh, that's beautiful. So that's definitely a specific zipper pull to this bag. And it does say Longchamp and Indiana, which that is so cool. I love that. Same on this side. So pretty. So the bottom of this bag, nice and wide. Again, it's got the color blocking. And it's really, really a good size. I love this. Okay, let's see what we have inside the bag. Oh, it's really nice. I like the lining a lot. It's definitely thicker than a regular Le Pliage. Interesting. So just one huge compartment. I like the gray lining inside. It's easy to find your items. And then it has this great little, oh, okay, so this one comes with Love right there. And then it's just got the little collaboration information. Okay, so it says Longchamp and Robert Indiana, a pop art emblem meets a universally beloved bag. So really nice little card there. And then the usual care card, and then that pocket. So it does say Longchamp and Robert Indiana, and it is made in France, which is great because Longchamp is French. So it should be made in France. That's great. And also recycled polyester. Really nice. Really, really nice. I like that little extra interior. Really pretty. So I am definitely going to add a organizer to this bag just to give it that structure I love in a Longchamp bag. I do also love that there are no inset creases because it wasn't folded like all other Longchamp Le Pliage bags are normally. But what do you guys think of this bag? So it did retail for a little bit more than a regular Le Pliage bag of this size. Normally, these size medium shoulder bags are $140. This one ran me $300. So a little bit more expensive than I'm used to paying for a Le Pliage, but I assume it's because of the collaboration, that it's probably a little bit more unique. I would think a little more expensive to create, and it is definitely unique. Love the zipper pull. It's such a beautiful bag. I really do love the look of this. I think it's so pretty. So the dimensions of this bag are 11 inches in width. It is 10.5 inches high, and then it is hard to tell without an organizer in here, but it is 6.25 inches deep. Maybe this might be a little easier. So there we have the 6.25 inches deep right there. So really nice. It does have that nice structured silhouette to the bag. And of course, the gorgeous love artwork. It really does take center stage on this bag. It is definitely a work of art. I think it's beautiful. It's colorful, and it's definitely an eye-catching sort of bag. If you want a subtle bag, this is not going to be it for you, but it is really nice. I love the recycled material. I love the Russian cowhide leather, as I love all Longchamp tote bags. This one is beautiful, guys. I absolutely love it. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think of this collaboration between Longchamp and Robert, Indiana. And if you think this is something you might be interested in picking up at some point. I think it's really, really fun, unique, pretty, and I'm excited to own this bag. If you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and give it a like. And I would love it if you subscribe to my channel. It would help me out so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.